In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can get this really cool effect, which is basically the dolly zoom, or the vertical video effect, like you see in the movie Jaws, and even this video right here. Now, it's not going to be as close to as these two, but we'll try our best here, and this will be completely for free in Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, so to get started, you want to have the video that you want to drag on from your project bin onto the timeline. And these videos here are examples of things that I've used in the past. However, I found that these two videos have been the best for creating the vertical dolly zoom effect. Okay, so we're going to use the fire pit, or the fire. So drag the video on it here, and let's resize it here. Okay, so the first step is, since the video is over 25 seconds, where you want to click R on your keyboard to access the speed, or right click your video and click adjust speed. If you don't see this, again, right click here and adjust speed and duration. Okay, and I'm going to make this 350%. As you can see, you can zoom in on the timeline and see that the clip is only 7 seconds. The next thing you're going to do is adjust the speed, but I'm going to make this reverse by clicking the reverse icon. Now we're going to make this at the end, and then you're going to see this at the beginning. Okay, so the next step is to go under here, under your program, and it's to enable this, which says rulers and then safe margins. If you don't see these two things, then click this plus icon and the plus button editor, and you can see show guides and show rulers. Click on these two things and click on OK, or drag them down below and then click OK. Alright, so the next step is to go under to motion and click position and scale. And we're going to move one frame to the right, or move the right arrow key, maybe 2 times, and then click this add or remove and change the color to blue. And then what you're going to see here is that we're going to go to the left, and we're going to click and then go to the right. So I'm going to do this one more time and measure the left and the right of the fire pit, and then we'll go up as well. Click, drag down, and then we'll do the same thing. Click and drag down to the top and to the bottom of the fire pit. So our goal here is to have this zoomed in, or so that it stays consistently zoomed at the end of the video clip. Okay, so I'm going to grab our cursor on the timeline and we'll go all the way up the end of the video. And then right here before the video does end, I'm going to click a keyframe. And then we'll click the motion again to make sure it's selected. And now we're going to zoom in. And we're going to do the exact same thing as far as measuring the fire pit from the bottom to the top. This is a little bit hard, but as you can see, we're getting closer and a bit closer to the flames, and they're seeing that they're coming out. Okay, so this is how this looks like so far. The video was lagging, so I had to quickly render it, but basically this is the before. And this is the after. Thanks for watching this free Adobe Premiere Pro video editing tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found some value. If you did, drop this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.